Welcome everyone to another video here on Rob's Rules. And what are my rules? Well, there are rules. I'm here, you're there, and today a lot of people were saying, oh my God, it's an adjournment. What is an adjournment? No need to fear, that's why I'm here. An adjournment is simply that the case has a different date. They're going to forward the date. So instead of February 1st, they up the date to next month. We're going to go over that now, so there's nothing to worry about. It is going to happen. Didn't mean he loses or wins. An adjournment is just asking for a court date in the future. Happens a lot. In fact, it happens, I would say 95% of the time in the court cases that I deal with. It's very common. So we're going to talk about that today in an article from Deadline. So let's get to it. Again, this comes from Deadline. Johnny Depp will receive a hearing in March over bid to appeal UK's court's wife-beater ruling. Johnny Depp and his legal team will receive an oral hearing in their bid to appeal a decision handed down by the UK court that the Sun newspaper did not libel the actor by branding him a wife-beater in a 2018 article. Court of Appeal Judge Lord Justice Underhill decreed yesterday that an estimated 2-hour hearing will take place between March 15th and March 31st, at which further evidence can be adduced. The issues raised by both applications are best resolved at a hearing, he wrote. Amber Heard's legal team will need to file reasonings for opposition opposing the appeal by February 21st, when Depp's team will be able to respond to that by February 28th. Depp is looking to overturn the previous decision that he was not libeled by the news group-owned tabloid when it branded him a wife-beater, with the initial ruling stating the phrase was substantially true in relation to his relationship with ex-wife Amber Heard. The verdict was damning for Depp, stating he did assault Miss Heard in reference to multiple allegations of domestic violence. Since the verdict, Depp's lawyers have claimed the actor did not receive a fair trial and the ruling was plainly wrong. Depp's legal team with Heard in the U.S. continues to roll on. So he will get a chance to have an appeal with a 2-hour hearing between March 15th and March 31st. Now, look, I feel that first off, this verdict was atrocious. The evidence was way overwhelming, and when you have 19 witnesses and 2 police officers there, and still the judge's ruling is basically doesn't give reasoning behind saying, yeah, you know what, I believe her, and he's guilty of 12 of the 14 incidents. Depp's appeal is, why? What basis? What evidence? What are you going on? All you have is what she said. And he said also that she wasn't a gold digger because of the charitable donation of $7 million, which she only pledged. And they got $100,000, which came from the check of Johnny Depp. Now, that should play a big part of this also, because they can argue and say, well, as you can see from the letter dated 2019, Miss Heard didn't donate anything to the Children's Hospital. And these poor children, which she said money is no object, it means nothing, the settlement's just going to go to them. Johnny made a simple solution, and she turned it down because of tax write-offs. Bull. As you can see, if she could lie about this, she could lie about bringing her dogs to Australia, which she knew damn well she couldn't do, and lies about multiple other things, including her bruises and beating up her sister and all these lies. Well, I think that they have to overturn this appeal. And if they don't, then I really don't know what they're thinking about. Like, I don't know what Amber Heard's fans are thinking about either, when she clearly states on the tapes that she physically hit him when he asked the question, so you start physical fights, and she says yes. What more evidence is there needed? 19 witness statements, 2 police officers, 21 witnesses overall. Insurmountable amount of evidence. The woman craps on a bed. Sure, I'm sure everybody craps on a bed, right? Such a turn on. It's the thing to do. What was this judge looking at? And if these judges don't see all this in front of their faces, I really don't know what they're doing on the bench. This is just my opinion. You let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Johnny Depp does have appeal, and it will happen between March 15th, March 31st. Till then, we'll have to wait in hopes that he wins this appeal and gets a retrial, which he so rightfully deserves. Till then, be safe and be well. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you next time, right here on Rob's Rules. Take care.